We continue to unravel the details of a bizarre and deadly shooting in Port St. Lucie. One man is dead, another behind bars, and police say it all unfolded in a neighbor's yard during a chaotic series of events tied to drug use, paranoia, and sleep deprivation. WPTV's Mello Stiles has been digging into what happened and how it all spiraled out of control.
Neighbors say it was something out of a movie. Police say the scene shaped up full of days of drug use and delusion. We're learning tonight what led up to the fatal shooting that shook this Port St. Lucie neighborhood that all started at this home.
Crime scene unit. I mean, everything's set up.
Will Turner moved to this neighborhood just 4 months ago, hoping for peace and quiet.
I mean, we moved up from Broward County to kind of get away from everything.
Turner says he didn't know the man accused of pulling the trigger, 43-year-old Justin Hobel. But according to Port St. Lucie Police Chief Leo Nimzik, Hobel didn't really know the people he was staying with either.
They were somewhat transient. He located one individual somewhere in Jensen Beach, I was told, and the other guy was a friend of his who had been couch hopping.
Police say the three men had been holed up inside the home for several days, and what they were doing during that time, investigators say, played a major role in what happened next.
They had been spending the last few days recreationally using cocaine. I understand that they had not slept in about 3 days. Our shooter and actually the deceased victim had at some point determined that the other victim was some type of foreign spy.
Investigators say 26-year-old Jonathan Somoona, who would later be killed alongside Hobel, actually handcuffed the other man during the delusional episode. At one point, Somoona left the house and asked a neighbor to call 911, saying Hobel was having chest pains. The chief said what happened next was chilling.
Shooter walks over, shoots our victim.
But it didn't end there. Police say Hobel then tried to choke the man still in handcuffs until someone passing by began filming, drawing his attention away. That's when officers arrived.
My shoulder's rotated out.
I asked Chief Nimzik what he makes of the situation, a deadly mix of drugs, mental health, and irrational fear.
It's just a bizarre scenario.
Chief Nimzik told me that there had been prior calls to this home, but none of that hinted of the chaos that unfolded here late Tuesday afternoon. Reporting at Port St. Lucie, Mello Stiles.